So we got some more updates on what we're going to be getting for Sneakers Day 2023. And just know, if I'm showing you something like this, we got some dope, some heaters waiting for us to drop for Sneakers Day. But we're going to talk about it all in today's video, man. Sit back and relax. Let's get right into it, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys tap in, man. You guys already know, man. We're trying to give you guys some dope content and talk about what we have in store for us. A crazy rumored, you know what I'm saying, restock. And like I said, we got a lot of these credible sources saying that it is solid to be on September 9th, which, like I said, we're going to talk about in the video. But before I give you guys all this good information, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel if you're new, and make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop. If you get any, you know, future restock, shop drop, exclusive access, you know, especially something like this, I get you guys notified by hitting the notification bell right now on the channel, man. Please give a huge like as well. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and we're gonna try to get this up to 300 likes. I know it's an easy task for the Vintage Squad, man. All right, man, so I already showed y'all the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and usually, you know what I'm saying, after a crazy drop like the Lost and Found ones, Chicago ones, or you want to call it the reimagined ones, we probably won't see them a whole, you know, close to a year after the drop being restocked in the capacity that it is, you know, restocking in. Yes, these joints are set to be dropping September the 9th, which is Saturday. It's a sneakers day. You know, they unveiling it as a sneakers day, and it's some crazy bangers. And the sneaker, like I said, that stood out to most to me, because I definitely want another pair. Been wearing these a lot, is the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. Yes, September 9th, Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 restock. This is like the 5th chance, bro. They restocked a couple of times now. Remember, they did a crazy restock on the sneakers app earlier this year. I can't remember the day, but I know for sure, like, it was just a crazy day again for the Nike sneakers app. You know, a couple spots might be getting them. You don't see any like crazy restocks at Nike outlets and stuff like that. But if you're in Chicago, you probably have seen a dope little restock or two for these Chicago Lost and Founds. But yeah, for everybody that ain't got the luxury of having a nice, you know, Nike outlet in your area, September 9th, Nike sneakers app, we about to begin a sneakers day, bro. Sneakers day is definitely about to be live. It's a Saturday as well. For some reason, I was thinking it was a weekday, but it's gonna be September 9th, which is a Saturday. It's definitely about to be a crazy one. And like I said, we definitely going live on Sneakers Day as well. So if you guys want to tap in, see how they do the drops. Like, I don't know how they're gonna do the drops, but if I had to, you know, think of how they would do it, I think they do it like, you know, a couple of Jordan Reserve type, you know, drops every, you know, maybe every 6 or every 3 or 4 hours that it could do, man. So this is the first sneaker, like I said, Lost and Found Jordan 1s that are, you know, rumored or pretty much like 90% confirmed to come out. You know, some Lost and Founds, and we got a couple more that we're about to show you guys. And real quick, before we get past these, let me know right now down below in the comment section, which pair do you want Nike to restock for Sneakers Day, man? So like I said, I'm headstrong on these Lost and Founds, but I know there's a couple people out there that probably want some other heat. So I can't wait to read you guys' comments. So go ahead and go crazy down below right now. Pause. So another sneaker that has been getting a lot of buzz about, you know, restocking on this Sneakers Day is a women's exclusive. It happens to be the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. Now, another dope, you know, Jordan 4, in my opinion, really slept on. I really like how they came and executed these joints right here. Only bad thing I have about these is leather quality. They did not throw a crazy tumble leather quality on these joints. Is really flat, and usually when you get a women's exclusive, Jordan 1 or Jordan 4, Jordan 3, they give you some nice buttery leather, and these right here, they did not do that. But they are, you know, rumored to have these coming out September 9th as well. You know, Seafoam, Air Jordan 4, the old green Air Jordan 4s, whatever you do want to call them. Yeah, come back out. Got the nice Jumpman on the back, nice laces, white laces. If you got some old green laces or some Seafoam laces, it definitely be some heaters when you're rocking these things. But this is women exclusive. They did not do extended size on these bad boys. So everybody that can't fit into them, hey, you lucked out. And so another sneaker, the orange Lobster SB Dunks. These joints right here are also rumored to, you know, restock on sneakers day. And the reason why I really think these are gonna come out is because we haven't gotten a crazy restock. We haven't really been getting a lot of talk about the SB, you know, orange lobsters in a while. I think it'd be perfect timing for them to pull all them pairs they still got in the warehouse. Nike never sells out. If you guys think they sell out, you crazy. They probably got a bunch more orange lobsters, probably got a bunch more Air Jordan 4 oil greens, and of course the lost and founds. Like they sell some million pairs, and they're probably breaking it up, you know what I'm saying, to keep that lost and found, keep that Chicago reimagined one out there up until we do get the reimagined Air Jordan 1 Royals. So hey, Nike smart with their marketing. I definitely like it. But like I said, another sneaker that we might see, you know, the little rumors, they throwing a little, you know, some little hints out there, is the Orange Lobster SB Dunk. Super clean. Of course, you guys know this came with some extra laces, the orange, it came with the blue, and of course it came with the bands, which is another sneaker. But yeah, super nice. I love them. I ain't rocked them yet. Might put them out here sometime soon. Stay tuned for that on IG, man. And then last but not least, probably the sneaker of the year in a lot of people's eyes. I'll probably say the Hypebeast. And the Hypebeast eyes is probably the sneaker of the year. Hey, I ain't gonna knock anybody that does think the sneaker of the year. Hey, to each his own. But a sneaker that we are hearing rumors that we're gonna be getting is the Air Jordan 4 Pine Green. Only time, or the first time they did a Jordan 4 SB. You know what I'm saying? Went crazy with the pine green joints. Of course, you got the red Jumpman on the top. Kind of giving you guys like some Gucci inspired, you know, foam posits. Like if you guys remember, we got the foam posits back in the day. The Gucci inspired ones, the all, you know, white foam posit with, you know, hits of green and hits of red. Really popping. They also dropped the black pair. Best thing here on there, these right here, Pine Green S4, first time ever done. I love them, super comfortable. I ain't skating in my pair. I'm actually rocking my pair and it's a nice fits out of them. But yeah, man, this is another one of them heaters that they are saying will be restocking on Sneakers Day 2023, man. So I did want to, you know, reiterate the date again, September the 9th, man. It's just a Saturday. I need everybody to pull up. We definitely going live. I cannot wait to see what Nike does do as far as this Sneakers Day. You guys know in the UK they got a Sneakers Day and they restocked the Lost and Found Jordan 1s already. They restocked the SB4s and there was some other crazy heaters. So I don't want you guys thinking it's just some random thing that we throwing out there. The UK, you know, sneakers already got restock or a Sneakers Day, and now it's just up, you know, next for the US to get one. So stay tuned for all that. I can't wait. September 9th about to be a movie. It's gonna be a good time. Like I said, subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss on any information about this crazy restock, man. I appreciate the support. Again, thank you guys so much for tapping in. More content on the way, you guys. Like I said, just stay tuned for all about the notification bell, and please give a huge like on today's video, especially if you like these little update videos about restocks and shock drops and stuff like that, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Love you guys. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in next video, man. Peace.